news, everybody. As you can see, the sun is shining again and there is no wind for a change. For the last few days we've been absolutely battered with storms and it's been awful. I'm sure there's been some brave souls who have got out there on the bikes. Good on you. It's not been for me. I've just been hiding away watching Netflix. In other news, I've got a new microphone on camera, one with a windsock on. Hopefully the sound once again should be gratefully improved. We'll have to wait and see. I also mentioned in the last video that I'm making some final plans for a trip away. They're all done now. I'm going to wait till the end of the video to announce that, let you know what we're going to be doing. So today, just a nice steady short ride. I'm going on the Sustrans Greenway. Once again, I think it's the Route 66 from Dewsbury onto Cleckheaton, where I'm going to stop and have a coffee, quick bite to eat at the Superfood Bowl. It's a plant-based cafe, the only one in the area really, and I've got to say it's 100% my favourite cafe to stop at. It's a shame it's so close really, because I have to put in a good few miles before I get to it, so I feel like I'm deserving of some of their yummy treats. Oh, also my post-Carico transfer case arrived, so to enable me to take my bike away with me a bit more easily, I'm going to do a full review on that and hopefully do a full breakdown on my bike, pack it up, do a demonstration. The idea of it is to save on excess baggage charges for bringing a bike. A lot of airlines charge a lot more for that than what they would do for a normal case, but the transfer case fits in the dimensions of a normal case. So in theory, if they're not being silly at the airport, they should let you put it on as a normal case. Hiya. Hey, you alright?
Yeah, good, thanks. You?
You alright?
Oh.
Can I have a matcha latte, please?
Gosh.
And can I have the naughty one as well, please?
Gosh, is it Ian?
In, please, yeah.
I'll write it down and I'll bring it over to you.
No problem. I'll just sit down.
There you go.
Thank you.
I'll give you a napkin.
Lovely. So then this is the naughty one. So 2 slices of banana bread, obviously banana, vegan chocolate chips, honey, coconut yogurt. It's absolutely delicious. Pretty much every time I come in here I grab one of these. Great for brunch, even sometimes for dinner, which I really enjoy. Also goes nicely with the matcha latte, coconut milk and matcha. I've never actually had one of these, so I'm really looking forward to it. So the Superfood Bowl, Cleckheaton, West Yorkshire, open about 7-8 months now. As far as I'm aware, it's one of the only vegan cafes around here. I'm sure you've all seen the Game Changer documentary on Netflix by now. A lot of people getting into the plant-based diets and things like that. This place, as well as being a cafe, they also do meal preps, so you can, buy your meals for the week, all ready to go. Do a good selection of normal drinks, your teas, coffees, things like that, all made with plant-based milk. Also juices and smoothies. They do their Superfood Bowls, sweet and savoury ones today. So I've had the naughty one, which is banana bread, yogurts, chocolate, honey, things like that. Real nice, comforter. The thing that I love about this place is you always get a really warm welcome when you come. If it's a cyclist, everybody's welcome. There isn't many places to lock your bike up outside. There's a Tesco just behind where they do have some bike racks. If you don't mind leaving your bike on, just walking a couple of minutes to get down here, that's an option. I lock mine up outside against the handrail, but it's on a pavement, so it's not ideal. It has been knocked over a couple of times, but what can you do about that? One thing I do love about this place, as well as the warm welcome, is the music is always very, very good. A lot of cafes go really lacking atmosphere and things like that, but in here we've got good music. Also today is Wednesday, which is Banana Bread Wednesday. Every Wednesday, fresh banana breads, £5 a loaf. They always sell out dead fast. I'm definitely taking one home with me today. Thursdays they do they stay open late, a little bit like a restaurant. So they do an eating and a takeout menu. Different themes each week. I got the plant-based Christmas dinner. It was absolutely delicious. As I'm nicely fed and watered now, I'm going to jump on the bike, ride back along the Greenway, depending on what the wind's like. So it wasn't too windy when I set off, but actually it's a little bit windy now. So I'm going to get the drone up if I can, and get some footage of the Dewsbury Country Park and the Greenway, which I've rode along there. So as I mentioned, a little announcement to make. It's not that big a deal really. Finalised the plans yesterday with the Finkel boys, ex-pro Mark Zabrowski and our legal counsel Steve Hudson. We're off to Roubaix over the Easter weekend to watch the Paris-Roubaix race. We're leaving London on the 10th of April and we're going to be back on the 14th. So over the Easter weekend, if anyone wants to join us, just give me a shout. Steve's pretty much said that anybody can go stay at his flat the night before, so that's all good. I'm going to do a lot more cafe videos. There's a lot of good cafes that you can cycle to around here, around the West Yorkshire area, so I'm going to make a few more of them and get them uploaded. And also because I absolutely love coffee and cake, so that's one of the good reasons for doing it. If you've enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe as always. I'm going to stick all the information in the description below, links to the Superfood Bowl, links to the route that I've taken today, and also information for the Sustrans Greenway, once again, which I've travelled on. So until next time, safe riding.